How does one prepare for a section in which either you are inherently very strong or you're inherently very weak? या तो आपकी अंग्रेजी वाकई बहुत अच्छी है because of your schooling, your exposure and whatnot, and therefore probably you have better chances of doing well at VRC, or your English is not that great and therefore you're finding difficulties. How do you prepare for a subject like this? Can we decompose it into smaller problems? The problem to solve is how to prepare for VARC for CAT so that we can move towards a 99 percentile in CAT, which is what I'll be sharing in this video. There are a lot of things which we can do from right now, which is April or even May, whenever you're watching this video, I don't know. There are a lot of things which we can do to solve problems. There are predominantly two problems to solve in VARC, which I will be talking about. Now, without further ado, I'll get into this video and I'll first help you understand that VARC ka structure kya hai, because for you to do well in VARC, you have to understand the structure basis which we will define what is the time division which we need to give within VARC. If you don't know me yet, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher. I'm the founder of Creatum, where I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Now, if I go to this screen, let's firstly understand what VARC holds for us. It has 24 questions, which is to be done in 40 minutes. We know this. If we don't know this, now we know it. VARC is basically composed of two things: VA, verbal ability, and reading comprehension, RCs. Now, out of those 24 questions, 16 questions are RCs, 8 questions are VA. If I were to go across the years, and I've done this only so that you get a sense of things across the years, what these 8 questions in VA have been. Although my main aim for this video is actually going to be RCs, but I thought it's going to be a worthwhile exercise for you to know. I'll start from the latest and I'll just open all of these. So if I were to talk about the latest CAT which has happened, it has had 2 questions in para jumbles, 2 questions in para summary, 2 questions in para completion, and 2 questions in odd sentence out. And this has been across the slots. Then in CAT 2024, we've had 3 questions in para summary, 3 questions in para completion, 2 odd sentence type. Then in the same way, CAT 2024 followed a similar structure wherein the 4 types of questions which predominantly come. Basically मैं आपको बताना ये चाह रहा हूँ, VA में ये 4 किस्म के सवाल आते हैं: para jumbles, para summary, para completion, odd sentence type, and each year you have some combination of these questions, which mean we have to prepare for all. This is what you will get a sense of from this particular view. RC has 16 questions, but let me talk about RCs specifically and I'll get down to the biggest problems with VARC. I see 3 problems with VARC, which is what I have shown over here. And let me tell you the reason why I'll be spending some time on helping you understand this problems is so that once you understand it like that, you will know exactly how to solve it. Then for us to really solve this problem for you, that okay, how do you prepare for VARC? Probably a section in which you feel you are weak. How can we solve it and get better at it using some first principles thinking and using some very practical things? I'll also be telling you what resources to use for VARC, how to prepare for VARC, or daily schedule to prepare for VARC pocket. All of those things are included in this. भाई देखो, problem number 1 तुम्हें VARC में आएगी that if VARC is your weakness, then my dear friends, I have told you already, it is actually the most difficult to cover up, because either it is a natural strength and it is very rarely it is an acquired strength. So we will not even try to really work so much on English and grammar and vocabulary, so many things. We will be doing very functional exercises. Like when you go to a gym, you do functional exercises. जो भी muscle area target करना होता है, उसके लिए आप बहुत focused functional exercises करते हैं. एक वो चीज होती है. या फिर daily life में जो आप movements करना चाहते हैं, उनको enhance करने के लिए उन muscle groups को जो attract करती हैं, जो improve करती हैं, enhance करती है, वो exercises, that is what is called functional exercises, which is what we will be aiming to do. We are not trying to make you very prolific reader of English and very avid reader of novels and all of those things. वो सब नहीं करना है मुझे. मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है, ना ही तुम्हारे पास समय है और ना ही तुम्हारे पास पेशेंस होगा. जब मॉक स्कोर्स का आने शुरू हो जाते हैं तो लगता है यार ये क्या कर रहा हूं मैं. सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम विद VARC is that there is no definite formula or set of formulas like in quant which you can apply to it, not even, and there is no theory as well. Predominantly ऐसा कुछ defined कुछ नहीं है. It could happen that 2 options might look similar, and this will happen even in the cases when you've significantly improved in VARC. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to give you a picture of what happens even with the toppers. If you would have seen my YouTube channel, which I think you would have, there is a video last year just before CAT. I attempted a previous year CAT paper blind. I chose कौन से साल का CAT paper करना है और मैंने उसका VARC का सेक्शन आपके सामने सॉल्व करा था, एंड यू शुड सी माई अटेम्प्ट. आई गॉट अ स्कोर ऑफ अपवर्ड्स ऑफ 50 walking in blind into that. It was predominantly because of the way I handle paper solving. That is that. Which brings me back to this point that bhai, confidence is a problem in VARC because unlike QA and DILR, confidence will not get carry forward. What happens in a QA, or let me talk about DILR because that is also difficult. When you solve a set, you get confidence that okay, मैंने 15 मिनट में या 10 मिनट में एक सेट सॉल्व कर लिया, मेरे पास बहुत समय है, मैं एक और सेट तो आराम से कर सकता हूँ. That gives you confidence. In VARC, every question, every next question looks to be difficult. Again, I'm not trying to scare you in this. I am trying to tell you that these are some of the problems which you must preempt for yourself beforehand, because now when we'll get to how to solve these, some of these will get solved quite well. Now let me go back to the screen, and the third problem which you are likely to face in VARC is that your VARC scores will fluctuate a lot. This happens even for the toppers. It could pull down a very good percentile if you're decent in DILR and quant. It could pull down a percentile because you attempted certain number of questions in VARC and you thought your answers were correct, but they were not correct. It could happen because again, as I said, two options might look similar. This happens in VA, this happens in RCs. Probably you have not understood the RCs. You thought this answer looks good, but it's either too broad or too narrow or too abstract or whatever, all of those things, which in subsequent videos, also you should subscribe to the channel for the simple reason that in the subsequent videos I'll be bringing out certain tips and tricks and methods to improve in VARC. There's not so much of tips and tricks in this, but real methods for you to really improve in VARC. Subscribe to the channel for that, like the video. This is, videos like this should show up more on your feed. You don't have time anyways, so video which gives you really practical advice should really get you there. Now let me tell you that what are the two things which are actually stopping you from a very good percentile in VARC, and once you know this, then you will know exactly मुझे अपनी दो प्रॉब्लम्स क्या सॉल्व करनी है जिससे मैं ये तीनों चीजों में बेहतर हो पाऊंगा. It's a very simple thing. These two problems are extremely straightforward, simple, which I've spoken in a lot of my videos, and I'm speaking it here again because this is supposed to be that one video which solves your VARC woes. Problem number one, or things which is stopping your things for you to improve. Problem number one is that your reading speed is less, and because your reading speed is less, naturally your speed of attempt is also less. Naturally you're not doing sufficient number of attempts in VARC. That is what is happening. Second thing what could be is that your ability to comprehend, which is, अगर मैं सिंपल भाषा में बोलूं, अंग्रेजी समझने की जो क्षमता है वो कम है. ये दो चीजें ही हो सकती हैं. आपके साथ दोनों प्रॉब्लम्स भी हो सकती हैं या फिर कोई एक भी हो सकती है कि मैं अंग्रेजी समझ पाती हूं मगर थोड़ा स्लो समझ पाती हूं. सो अबिलिटी टू कॉम्प्रहेंड ठीक है, बट एट स्पीड नहीं है. या फिर मैं स्पीड में पढ़ लूंगी, सब कर लूंगी, बट वो मुझे कुछ शब्द फ्रेजेस, द वे इट इज एक्सप्लेन, वो समझ ही नहीं आता है. यूजुअली दोनों प्रॉब्लम्स एक साथ ही होती हैं, by the way. Now let me get to how to solve these two problems, and I'll keep this open in front of you. How to solve problem number one of reading speed, how to solve problem number two of ability to comprehend. This will, if you start doing these things from right now, this will significantly improve your VARC. That is what my objective is for you, simply put. Let's try and solve the speed problem to begin with. There are two things you must do for this. The first thing for you to improve your speed is that you need to ask yourself, do I have time clarity regarding VARC section? आप किसी चीज में स्पीड तभी इंप्रूव कर पाएंगे या कर पाएंगी अगर आपको पता है कि मेरी कितनी स्पीड होनी चाहिए, वरना आपको क्या पता कि मैं स्लो हूं या फास्ट हूं. मैं बेसिकली वो बात कहना चाह रहा हूं. Which means what? Which means that you need to get a clarity that if you have a total time of 40 minutes, your time division between VA and RC needs to be such that you're giving optimal time to both. For VA, there are 8 questions. You need to give it at least 10 minutes. आपको अगर इज्जत से VA करना है, आपको 10 मिनट VA को देने पड़ेंगे. अब आपको ये लगेगा यार 8 क्वेश्चन के लिए 10 मिनट 11 मिनट कम नहीं है. इसमें you need not forget some questions are theta type questions, non MCQ questions, जिसके ऑप्शन नहीं होते हैं. और ये मैंने बहुत वीडियोस में कहा है. अभी मैं इतनी जल्दी कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपको इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं करना चाहूंगा बिकॉज दैट विल क्लॉग योर थॉट प्रोसेस. Some of the questions, for example, if it's a para jumble question which has no options, it has very less chances for you to solve it correctly. You might as well leave it and you just mark it with something. For example, अब ठीक है, if I've spoken it, I'll explain it. अगर एक para jumble का question है जिसका सही आंसर है 2143, सपोज कि सेकंड स्टेटमेंट पहले 143, ठीक है. अब उसमें ऑप्शन नहीं दिए. अगर ऑप्शन दिए होते ऐसे सवाल का सीक्वेंस निकालना बड़ा इजी है. जब ऑप्शन नहीं होते हैं बहुत कम चांस है कि आप एग्जैक्टली 2143 ही निकालें। हो सकता है वो बहुत सही होते होते भी वो 2143 ना करके आप उसको 2134 लिख के आ जाएं, बिकॉज दैट इज हाउ क्लोज दोज स्टेटमेंट्स लुक। देयरफॉर आई ऑलवेज एडवाइज द स्टूडेंट्स लेटर ऑन, नॉट राइट नाउ, अभी तो यू नीड टू स्टडी दैट, थोड़े इन क्वेश्चंस को पैरा जंबल्स विदाउट ऑप्शंस को थोड़ा हल्के हाथ से लें, ज्यादा बहुत उसमें दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है। तो ब्रॉडली 10 मिनट देने हैं आपको इसको, बिकॉज माय डियर फ्रेंड्स द हीरो द चैंपियन ऑफ योर VARC is RC 16 questions, 4 RCs, 4 questions. You have to give it 30 minutes. So the breakup of your papers looks something like this. I will come to this. That your 40 minutes of total VARC needs to be divided in 30 minutes of RC, 10 minutes of VA. That is what your division of the paper is. Which implies what? Now I will delve deeper into RCs because that is important. Further time clarity, which is what we're talking about. 30 minutes for 4 RCs मतलब क्या है? Per RC कोई 7.5 मिनट मिल रहे हैं आपको, which means अगर per RC पूरे RC को सॉल्व करने के लिए 7.5 मिनट मिल रहे हैं, आप ये समझ लीजिए आपके पास 3 मिनट होते हैं लगभग एक RC की बॉडी को पढ़ने के लिए, और उसके बाद लगभग 4.5 मिनट होते हैं वो 4 सवाल सॉल्व करने के लिए। अब सम ऑफ यू हु आर ओवर स्मार्ट, हु आर इंटेलिजेंट, वे टू इंटेलिजेंट फॉर व्हाट यू शुड बी, यू वुड से कि सर व्हाट नॉनसेंस इज दिस, हाउ कैन यू गिव such accurate time कि 3 minutes for reading in 4.5 minutes, how is that possible, how can that happen? My dear friends, अगर आप ये टाइम क्लैरिटी लेके नहीं चलेंगे तो आप इसके इर्द गिर्द भी नहीं घूम पाएंगे। The point is not to achieve this. If you're a topper, you will achieve this. If you've seen my VARC attempt, I've been very close to this. The point which I'm trying to make is not that you have to become so good that exactly by the clock 7.5 minutes. But if you're not doing it per 7.5 minutes, which is exactly what you need to do if you've planned to complete 4 RCs, then my dear friends, how do you really intend to do anything in life? You have to set yourself a goal. अब वो 7.5 मिनट का 8 मिनट 8.5 मिनट अगर एक RC में हो जाए, दूसरे में वो शायद 7 मिनट में वाकई हो जाए, that is how you will manage your time. But broadly, if you have to do it in 30 minutes, your 4 RCs, then you need to set yourself a goal. And now when you set out to practice, hello, this is the golden tip now. Please make notes, extremely important. Now when you start to write or when you start to make notes from this video, which you should, you need to tell yourself that okay, my objective while studying now is that क्या मैं एक RC को 7.5 मिनट में कर सकता हूँ। हो सकता है शुरुआत में 7.5 मिनट में ना कर पाऊँ, 10 मिनट में करूँ, कोई बात नहीं, उसमें स्पीड बढ़ाओ, 9 मिनट पे आओ, 8.5 मिनट, 8 मिनट, 7.5 मिनट पे पहुंचने की कोशिश करो। अब मैं प्रैक्टिस, हाउ डू वी प्रैक्टिस दिस, आई विल टेल यू सब्सिक्वेंटली, इसके बाद बताऊंगा। ब्रॉडली पहली चीज को, स्पीड को क्लियर करने के लिए ये है, ये टाइम क्लैरिटी आपको अपने जहन में बैठा लेनी है। आपके पास शायद ये वीडियो दोबारा देखने का समय नहीं होगा, विच इज ओके, प्लीज राइट दिस डाउन समवेयर सो दैट यू डोंट हैव टू कम बैक टू दिस। दिस वाज अ वेरी, दिस शुड हैव, ये तुम्हारे दिमाग में अभी एक बल्ब जल जाना चाहिए ये देखने के बाद, दैट ओके, nobody told me this like this, क्योंकि this is the time clarity which I need to operate with. Now you know that. The second point which you need to know is that for you to improve speed, ask yourself, I have time clarity, but do I have enough match practice? Again, if you have played cricket or if you know about cricket, it is something to do well in net practice, wherein there is no score on the board which you have to chase or no audience out there, कोई pressure नहीं है, तुम ही बैट कर रहे हो, there is nobody on the non-strikers end, कुछ नहीं, कोई अंपायर नहीं है, वहां पे छक्के चौके मारना, अच्छे शॉट्स मारना एक बात होती है, और एक मैच एनवायरनमेंट में जाके प्रेशर के साथ करना एक बात होती है। मैं कहना क्या चाह रहा हूं, इस बात का संदर्भ क्या है? इस बात का संदर्भ कुछ नहीं है कि वो ये है कि VARC की बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस इवेंचुअली कैन ओनली हैपन थ्रू मॉक टेकिंग। एट वर्स्ट टेक सेक्शनल टेस्ट। सो नाउ इफ यू हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड टू टेक मॉक्स, व्हिच यू शुड, बट फॉर योर यूजुअल प्रैक्टिस टेक सेक्शनल टेस्ट्स, उससे भी एक लेवल कम। अगर मान लो अभी आप सेक्शनल टेस्ट भी नहीं ले रहे हो, तो your daily RC solving or whenever you are solving RC, that needs to be time bound. मैं तो आपके लिए एक मॉड्यूल बना देता हूं, मैं कहता हूं RC प्रैक्टिस आपकी 30 मिनट्स की होनी चाहिए डेली, that's that. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 1 hour होनी चाहिए, because 30 मिनट्स में you'll be doing the solving and remaining half an hour में you'll be seeing कि अच्छा क्या आंसर सही था क्या नहीं था। बेसिकली हर रोज अगर आपको RC सीरियसली प्रिपेयर करनी है, 1 घंटे से ज्यादा का खेल नहीं है, एंड मैं आऊंगा इस पे, when I'll be speaking about the preparation strategy, I will be speaking about अबाउट दैट भाई 30 मिनट्स में क्या करना है. इफ यू आर वेरी वीक, ओके, आई नीड टू सी यू फॉर दिस. वेरेवर यू आर स्टडिंग आरसीज फ्रॉम, आप किसी बुक से पढ़ रहे हैं आरसीज या प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं आरसीज, किसी ऑनलाइन मटेरियल से पढ़ रहे हैं आरसीज, प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, डज नॉट मैटर. व्हाट मैटर्स इज हाउ डू यू यूज इट. यू नीड टू यूज इट लाइक दिस माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. इफ यू आर वेरी वीक, या फिर इनिशियली अभी अप्रैल मई में हाफ एन आवर का एक समय लगाइए और उसमें टारगेट करिए मुझे 2 आरसीज करने. इफ यू आर वेरी वीक, इफ यू आर डिसेंट, देन हाफ एन आवर का समय लगा के उसमें टारगेट करिए 3 आरसीज. अगर स्ट्रेंथ बनती चली जा रही है, स्ट्रेंथ है वीआरसी या क्लोजर टू कैट जा रहे हैं, 4 आरसीज का टारगेट करिए. 4 आरसीज 30 मिनट्स. द ओनली वे टू प्रैक्टिस आरसीज, आई एम रिपीटिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, is in a time bound manner. Whenever you are practicing RCs, you are practicing only in time bound manner. That is the only way you will ever improve. वरना अगर आप 1 घंटे लेके बैठ के 4 आरसी करते रहे, वो तो करते रहे, आप उसमें एक्सपर्ट भी बन जाएंगे. फॉर ऑल यू नो, यू माइट बिकम एन एक्सपर्ट एट रीडिंग आरसीज एंड सॉल्विंग आरसीज, बट ऑल यू आर डूइंग इज सॉल्विंग 4 आरसीज in 1 hour and solving 4 RCs in 1.5 hours. What's the point of doing that? I am telling you things which will save your time, which will make you better each day. 1% better each day is some 37 point something percent better overall in an year. That's the point which I'm trying to make over here. RC preparation, my students who study with me for the entire year, they prepare it like this and they come out with flying colors. और उनकी जो अगर weakness भी होती है RCs, वो इतनी रगड़ा खाने के बाद बहुत significantly improve हो जाते हैं, because वो बिल्कुल ही functional practice कर रहे हैं. जो उनको real life में करके आना है वो उसी की practice कर रहे हैं. That is what functional training is. This is like a gym training at this point of time. Now the second problem which you had to solve was what? Remember, this was the comprehension problem. I had shown this to you already. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, you can't, I'm so sorry. The second problem which you had to solve was the comprehension problem. Ability to comprehend, which means that how do we solve that problem? See, there are 5 ways to do it. Not 5 ways, 5 things you broadly need to do to significantly improve your ability to comprehend, ability to understand English. The first thing is that, my dear friends, you need to work towards developing an expert's eye. जब एक फैकल्टी एक आरसी सॉल्व करती है, वो कैसे करती है? जब एक टॉपर और एक somebody who's expert in VARC, जब वो आरसी सॉल्व करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं? इसीलिए लास्ट ईयर मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई थी अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे, जहां पे मैंने विदाउट प्रेपरेशन मतलब मैंने वो मॉक वो मैंने देखा ही नहीं था कि क्या है उसमें सवाल, मैंने आपके सामने सेलेक्ट करा उस पे एंड वीडियो पे जाके मैंने ऑन करा वो मॉक, स्टार्ट करा और उसको अटेम्प्ट करा, एंड आई स्कोर्ड सम 54 or 53 in VARC. I'm talking about the score, not the percentile, which would translate to a 99.5 plus percentile in the real exam in VARC. Videos like that will help you see कि अच्छा, जब मेरे पास 40 मिनट थे, प्रेशर था, मैंने मॉक देखा नहीं हुआ है या वो टेस्ट पहले देखा नहीं हुआ है, तो मैं कैसे अप्रोच करता हूं? आई एम टॉकिंग, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. डेवलप एन एक्सपर्ट्स आई. यू नीड एन एक्सपर्ट्स आई, which means what? Solve an expert, solve a mock. Watch my channel on this. Watch one expert called Jijo. His name is Jijo. He's from Career Launcher. He's a partner with Career Launcher. He runs franchises in Mumbai. His YouTube channel could be a good starting point to begin with. I do not do this usually, but he's genuinely good. And you, if you are a student, you would know him already probably. I don't know. Start watching some 2 videos to start with. One is on RCs, one is on VA, and you will see whether you can understand the way he's seeing the questions. He dissects the RC in a way so that you can start to understand that. तो ability to comprehend का free एक way to improve ये है. Second चीज है, then once you started to pick, okay, that how is an expert reading this? How is an expert thinking about it? What is the expert being able to see in 2 comparable options which probably I am not able to see? Then start applying this on previous year CAT questions. This is a non-negotiable. Your practice of CAT predominantly needs to revolve around previous year CAT questions, because those are the best set of questions which are closest to what your real CAT is going to be like. Obviously, simple सी बात है ना, जब तुम स्कूल में बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए पढ़ते थे, प्रीवियस ईयर बोर्ड के देखते थे ना पेपर्स की कैसे सवाल आते हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज द मोस्ट रियलिस्टिक इंप्रेशन ऑफ व्हाट द बोर्ड इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक. दैट्स द सेम थिंग व्हिच आई एम आस्किंग यू टू डू. PYQs will help you calibrate your CAT prep. Then, if you need more help, again, I wish this was a paid promotion. It's not. VARC 1000, but still I'm mentioning this. I'll tell you why. There's a story. VARC 1000 is a course by Jijo, so sold on Career Launcher's website, which is a course students swear by. Why I have been associated with it some point in my life was because after my MBA, when I was a product head at Career Launcher, the MBA product head at Career Launcher, this was launched in front of me. I had launched it along with my team in 2019. That was the first year this course came out. It was a 1,000 rupee course at that point of time, hence this name. It's a very well structured course on VARC. Jijo has done a great job in doing that. I don't need to say again, मेरे पास कोई incentive नहीं है to keep on appreciating somebody else, but if there is somebody I know that closely, because I've had some exposure with him when I was there, and because I've seen this course shape up, and students, most importantly students, swear by it. It has helped. I will go out and I will recommend it, even if it's not a paid campaign or an affiliate campaign. That's that. I can do that. You can buy it from wherever you want to, does not matter. That has not going to help me. That is not going to help me at all. If tomorrow there is something which is better than this, I will add that also over here. The fourth thing is that now your mock analysis becomes extremely important. That in your mock analysis in some of the good test series, mentors also attempt the papers, which again circles back to the first point. You need to watch those mentor attempts. Students usually skip it. Students usually only watch the attempts of DILR and quant, because वहां पे जी देखना है कैसे सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, वहां पे देखना है हमें कि कोई शॉर्टकट ट्रिप्स तो नहीं है, कोई ट्रिक्स तो नहीं है, टिप्स की यार ये क्वांट क्वेश्चन क्या फास्टर सॉल्व हो सकता है. VRC देखते ही नहीं हो आप, ये आपको भी पता है भाई. हाउ विल यू डेवलप मेंटर्स आई, हाउ विल यू डेवलप द एक्सपर्ट्स आई. So whenever you're doing the mock analysis, if your mentor is solving those mocks, do that. Also very important, now I must say it, I have a 3-month 6-month mentorship program. What is that? I'm not going to teach you any concepts. I'm going to meet you weekly, week in, week out, so that we can track your progress. We'll set goals. I'll ensure that you're following those goals. We'll meet, we'll discuss any problems you're stuck in. I am probably one of the best guys for you to talk about those problems, because of how much I've been through in this industry, and I've seen thousands of students doing really well and changing their lives with the CAT prep. Check out that in the description. I also have a free Telegram group. You can join that. Link of that is also in the description. Extremely important things, I must say. Then you come to the fifth point, reading material. You must also develop a habit of reading. That is also going to help you comprehend better newspapers, Hindu, Business Standards, good paper, online reading, Aeon essays. Now this is the fifth point, because this is not directly linked to your CAT. This is something, अगर ये सब करके समय मिल रहा है तब ये करिए. अखबार पढ़ना है आपको रोज, वो मैं अभी आगे भी आऊंगा यहाँ पे, जब मैं प्रिपरेशन फॉर 99 परसेंटाइल पे आऊंगा. अखबार पढ़ना है, वो ऑप्शनल नहीं है, वो जरूरी है. एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम राइट नाउ अप्रैल में तो बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है पढ़ना. बट दिस इज समथिंग विच इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली योर VRC prep. दिस इज इन जनरल गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स एज वेल. नाउ लेट मी कम टू अ 99 percentile preparation strategy, which is extremely important. If you've liked the video till now, do not forget to like the video. The only reason why I'm saying that is because there is going to be this video and more videos, and I know that if you've watched it till now, you've got some value. You need to see these kind of videos more in your feed if you want to have a chance at prepping for CAT. Watch that. I'm going to my CAT 99 percentile. If you have doubts, join my Telegram group. There's a free Telegram group. I respond in voice notes, so your problems will be taken care of. If I don't respond fast enough there, which I might not, then you can book a one-to-one mentorship call with me. That's also something which you can do. The link is down there in the description. Or a 3-month 6-month program wherein we're locked in for 3 months and 6 months and we're doing great things. That's also there. Now getting to the preparation strategy, there are predominantly 2 things which are there, and these 2 things, if you do it repeatedly with discipline, are going to give you fantastic results. The first thing is that either you do this in the morning or very frankly any time of the day. Don't hold yourself back कि अरे सर ने तो मॉर्निंग बोला था, अब मॉर्निंग में तो मेरे पास समय नहीं होता है तो कब करूं. My dear friends, what you need to do is you need to start reading newspapers. The newspapers I have told you, Hindu and Business Standard, either of these 2 or both you need to do. This also helps in your GK and interview prep. Do not forget it. This has to be a holistic preparation program. You also need to be appearing for interviews. अब होता क्या है, जब तक आप इंटरव्यूज में आते हैं तब तक आपकी नॉलेज कुछ होती नहीं है, and then you are scared that okay, I don't know enough current affairs. How would you know that? So that you will know that only once you have developed a habit of reading newspapers. But Having said all of these things, let me tell you, this is not, please don't even count this as your VRC prep. That is why here reading newspapers and whatnot, जब मैं बता रहा था आपको ऊपर अभी, ये मैं बता रहा था, ये तो this is the last of the things which you need to do. लोग करते क्या हैं, बहुत एजुकेटर्स को भी I have seen this, that is why you have to check the intent and all of those things. वो पहला पॉइंट उनका ये होता है कि जी कि आप रीडिंग हैबिट कर दीजिए शुरू, एऑन एसेज पढ़िए रोज और स्टार्ट रीडिंग अ नॉवल, दिस एंड दैट. दिस इज यूजुअली द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. दिस माय डियर फ्रेंड इज नॉट इवन VRC prep. VRC prep is so much more about strategic time division, knowing how much time to spend, स्पीड तुम्हारी डेवलप हो रही है या नहीं, समझना कि ओके मेंटर कैसे क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं, ऑप्शंस को कैसे डिसाइफर कर पाते हैं, वो सब चीजें. तो भैया ये इसको काउंट मत करना एज योर VRC prep. यू आर डूइंग दिस in order to gradually improve your level of English in the background, also improve your GK, also develop the habit of reading from a screen. CAT में बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत ये हो सकती है, अगर आपको स्क्रीन से रीड करने की हैबिट नहीं है तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी आपके साथ. वो भी एक चीज है which you need to take care of. Then apart from this, what you need to do is that you need 1 hour each day. Either you do it every day or you do it alternate days. That's not important. What is important is that whenever you're prepping for VRC, it's a 1 hour module, as simple as that. For at least for RCs, I'm talking about RCs right now. Day 1, what you do is you're doing 30 minutes of time bound RC solving, जो मैंने समझाया हुआ है तुम्हें कि अगर बहुत वीक हो अभी शुरुआत में तो 2 RCs टारगेट करो हाफ एन आवर में, ठीक ठाक जा रहे हो 3 RCs टारगेट करो, एक्सेप्शनल होते चले जा रहे हो हाफ एन आवर में 4 RC तक पहुंचो, मजा आ जाएगा, मैं बता रहा हूं. दैट इज द बेस्ट फीलिंग. एंड रिमेनिंग 30 में उसका एनालिसिस करो, दैट ओके व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डिड आई डू राइट, व्हाट डिड आई डू रॉन्ग. ऑन अ सेकंड डे whenever you're not solving RC, solve VA questions from where previous year questions. किसी कोचिंग में हो एनरोल, उनकी वीडियोस हैं, स्टडी मटेरियल है वहां से, या फिर ऑनलाइन वीडियोस से. दिस माय डियर फ्रेंड्स विल फॉर्म योर एंटायर प्रिपरेशन प्लान फॉर VA RC. इफ यू सॉ दिस इज सो सिंपल. मुझे इसमें कॉम्प्लिकेशंस डालनी ही नहीं है. इफ यू सीन माय वीडियोस, आई एम नॉट दैट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू गिव यू कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डिटेल्ड PDFs of your study plan and what not. My dear friends, this is the reality. If you can get this, if you can do this really well, you will be setting yourself up for a very good score in VRC. Even if not that yet, you will feel so much confidence that yes, I've prepared myself really well for VRC. I hope this was a half an hour well spent. If you watched this video up till now, please make sure you're writing down in the comments that yes, I watched it till the end and what have been your takeaways from it. Watching this video is also a very big signal that you're improving, that you're serious about it. I would want to know from you, what are you feeling right now? Forget everything else. Let me know what you're feeling. Join my free Telegram group if you have to speak to me. Connect with me on a one-to-one call. We'll do wonders. Thank you.